So I've been seeing online, all these homies just eat an egg. Like a raw egg. So I guess I'm gonna eat an egg. But this thing just came straight. I had to hold up. Alright, no, for real, I'm back. Okay. Gotta clean that bitch. Alright. So they just straight up. Hmm. 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 Oh, water to get the egg down, yeah. Okay. It's exactly, when you really think about it, it is exactly what you think it will be. Wow, that was not really that enjoyable at all. What is that, like 8 grams of protein? Took like a minute, I don't know. I'm assuming I'm just gonna fucking have to use the bathroom so bad. I hope not. I'm out here in the fucking sticks, boys. So, would I recommend it? I don't know, I'll probably try it again. I got a 7-Eleven egg roll to wash it down. That's how you know we're eating healthy, boys. So yeah, the Primal vegan raw egg deal. I'll let you know.